So now you gotta move on to the body. When the body's complete, it should look like this. But in order to explain it, we're gonna make a mini diorama. So in order to make the body, you're gonna wanna make a black piece like this and a peach part like this. And you're gonna wanna sew the peach part to the back of the black part. And you gotta do it again, but you gotta sew it together. And the end result should look like this. So now we're gonna make the suit that he wears. In order to make the suit, you're gonna wanna make a straight line, but have a hill at the end. And you're gonna wanna position it with the high part next to the high part of the peach. So it looks something like this. So now we're gonna make the belt for Pit. So in order to make the belt, you're gonna wanna have a strip with a triangle in the middle. Then you're gonna wanna see if it can fit around the waist of the body. So now we're gonna move on to the next part of the suit. In order to make the next part of the suit, you're gonna wanna cut a semicircle and put a yellow strip around it. Once you've finished that, you're gonna wanna glue it to the right side of the belt. Now that you're done gluing the semicircle, you're gonna wanna glue the entire belt to the waist of the body. For the next part, you're gonna wanna make a little strip and tuck it under his main suit. Once you've done that, you're gonna wanna put it over his shoulder and make sure to leave a little gap because that's where the arm's gonna go. So what you wanna do next is you wanna make a tiny strip with something that looks like a button. It looks like this. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna glue it on top of the shoulder, but don't glue it all the way as the arm's gonna be under here. Now we're gonna move on to the hand. So in order to make the hand, you have to have 2 circle pieces of fabric. And you're gonna wanna hot glue a magnet ball, you can get them on Amazon, on one of the ends of the hand. Then you wanna stitch them together and you should get something like this. Then you wanna make a tube. You wanna make a tube out of fabric and you wanna stitch it to the hand so you actually look like an arm. Okay, let's move on to the feet. So in order to make a foot, you gotta put two ovals and stitch them together, and then you gotta put some cotton in them. So now we gotta make the sandals. You just gotta make one big oval that's big enough to fit the foot, and then you gotta put a little brown strip over it to make it look like an actual sandal. Then you wanna take a leg and make it look like a tube, so that it could look like a leg. And then you gotta put this big strap over on top of the leg, like this, because it's part of the outfit. So then your end product should kind of look like this. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make a brown strip like this. And you're going to want to wrap it around your ankle of the leg. And it should look like this. Next, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to get your wings, and you're gonna want to put them on the back of the body and make them as symmetrical as you can. Once you got them how you like it, you're gonna want to glue them there and stay them in place. After you're done with the hand, you're going to want to make a piece that looks like this. And you're going to want to put it about the end of his hand near his wrist. Next, you're going to want to get a strip like this and cover his wrist with a strip. The end result should look something like this. After you're done adding the brown strip, you're going to want to add a tinier yellow strip around the brown strip. Yeah. So now that you got all the pieces here, you're going to want to try and assemble all of the pieces together. So then you get to have a clear view of what the final product would look like. The main body, what you're going to want to do next is to make the sword. So in order to make the sword, you're going to want to have this little strip here, and you're going to want to glue these two magnet balls to the center of the strip. So then next, you're going to want to make the swords inside of the strip. So cover it up like this. Yeah.